Hi, boys and girls. So you already completed your slides for today, and I'm just here to go over this worksheet with you, just so we can work on it together. So if you can, I would pull it up, open it in Kami, and then make sure you write your name at the top, and then we will begin. So you can always pause the video to do that. So if you look, it says finding answers on a number line. For each multiplication problem, show the solution on the number line. So here's our first one. And bear with me while I'm using the drawing tool. It is kind of tricky. And the same goes for you when you're doing this. So just try to take your time and do the best that you can. So if we look, it's 4 times 3/8. So again, our whole number is 4 and our fraction is 3/8. So let's just review. Our top number is called a numerator and our bottom number is called the denominator. So if you look on our number line, the denominator stays the same. You are only multiplying the whole number by the numerator. So remember, you're only multiplying the numerator by that whole number. Okay, so let's look at this. 4 times 3. So I know we are going to skip count by 3 and we're going to make 4 hops. Okay, so if I start at 0, 1, 2, 3. So here's my first one. So I'm going to make 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3. 2, 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2, 3. 4. So I knew you guys knew that 4 times 3 equals 12. And remember, our denominator stays the same. So it's going to be 8. All right, I'm going to do one more with you. So look at our whole number. It's 3. We're multiplying it by 2/5. So again, the denominator of the 5 stays the same. See how the denominator is the same. Then we are multiplying the whole number by the numerator. Okay, so I'm going to skip count by 2s and I'm going to make 3 hops. So I'm starting at 0, 1, 2. So that's 1 hop. 1, 2. That's 2 hops. 1, 2. That's 3. So our answer is 6/5. So equals, and I'm going to try and write 6/5. All right, great job. So now I want you to do 3 and 4 for me. All right, then look here. It says label each number line and use the number line to show the solution to each problem. Okay, so this is a little tricky. So you can try to label your number line, but I've tried to write it underneath and it kind of makes it hard. So what I'm going to do, I'm definitely going to label a 0. So I would like you to do that for the next 2. And then we know when we're looking at this, we're making 3 hops and we're skip counting by 3. So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to say it is 3/5, right? Because I know that the denominator stays the same. Now I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. So I'm going to put 6/5. And then 1, 2, 3. And I'm going to do 9/5. Now, great. And then I'm going to make my hops because I'm doing 3 hops. 1, 2, 3. So my answer is 9/5. Okay. My 2 lines for my equal sign. Okay, so my answer is 9/5. Now I want you guys to try 6 and 7. Now, just like I did, you could number the whole number line, and remember that denominator stays the same. The numerator is the only thing that changes. Okay, so you're going to be counting by 5s and 3s again. So, if you have any questions, you can email me and I would be happy to meet with you on Google Meets to go over with you. Or if you don't, I would like you to complete this worksheet and then make sure you submit it on AE. All right, boys and girls, have a great day. Thank you.